Forgotten username recovery failed on BlueVine Fix. If your attempt to recover your BlueVine username keeps failing, don't panic. Most people get this wrong because they think BlueVine still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that BlueVine has shifted to an email-based login system. Your registered email is now your main account identifier, which is why the old username recovery process often fails. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the BlueVine app or visit the website. Enter the email address linked to your account instead of a username. If you're unsure which email you used, search your inbox for previous emails from BlueVine, such as account confirmations or payment notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if the reset email doesn't appear immediately. Step 3. If you signed up using a third-party login, like Google or Apple, make sure to log in the same way. Many failed recovery attempts happened because users try a different login method. Step 4. If you still cannot access your account, contact BlueVine support. Provide your full name, registered email, and explain that your forgotten username recovery failed. Their team can verify your identity and restore access quickly. Most people assume their account is lost or locked, but the reality is that BlueVine simply removed usernames for a simpler, more secure login experience. So don't worry, your account and business funds are safe. Just log in with your registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing your finances on BlueVine in minutes.